We showed you how to make Viking chairs for you. Now we're going to show you how to make Viking chairs for your phone. They pack flat and assemble in just moments. And they will hold to your phone like a mama koala hugging her young. And you know they have to be great because Vikings have been using them for over 1,000 years for their phones. We start with just a single piece of wood, 13.5 inches long, 3 3/4 inches wide, and a 1/2 inch thick. With the magic of the table saw, we're going to make that one piece of wood into two. We're going to measure out a pocket for the longer piece of wood, and where we need to cut 2 ears off the shorter piece of wood to make a tab that will fit into that pocket. I will do a sheet up showing you all the dimensions, plus I'll post it in the show notes with a printable copy for you. When cutting the pocket out of the long piece of wood, there's a number of options you can use to do that. I used a jigsaw, but you could use a scroll saw, a coping saw, or drill most of it with a 1/2 inch Forstner bit and then clean it up with a rasp. Check your fit and make any adjustments if necessary. Here I can either open up that pocket a little bit more or take a little more off the tabs till I get a perfect fit. Then I like to round over the corners, just so there's nothing sharp sticking out. And there we have it, the basic Viking chair phone holder. Now we can start doing some upgrades. I like to sand the bottoms flat a little bit so there's a little more surface area where it sits on the table. If you like to charge your phone while using it, you can cut out some pathways so you can feed that cord through. There's other options you can use to customize the look of your Viking phone holder. There's lots of beautiful woods from around the world, like Cocobolo wood from South America, Australian lace wood from Australia, and Zebrano wood from Africa, commonly called zebra wood, but I think it's called zebra wood not because of the stripes, but because when you sand it or cut it, it kind of smells like the back end of a zebra. You can glue different woods together to create unique patterns for your Viking chair phone holder. For those of you with artistic talent, you could paint or draw right on the back of your phone holder. Me, unfortunately, I kind of lack those type of skills, so I resorted to the CNC and the laser to add some designs to my phone holders. Different shapes are an option too. I also did a wider one for my tablet. Just have fun with it and come up with some awesome creative designs for your Viking phone holder. And if you want to see how to make a Viking chair for yourself, check out this video. If you got some value out of this, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.